Hey guys, I'm just doing a real quick unboxing. I've got this Netgear Ethernet hub. Let's see. It's got some real good weight to it. It has a Netgear sticker that you pretty much have to rip in half to open it. So if it's not inside this bag, it's not factory sealed. I don't know what kind of stuff you guys might want to know about this thing besides does it work. I'm sure it does. It comes with a couple screws and a thing and some little feeties if you want. So that's awesome. I like that it has the option for feet so that I could just mount it, because that's what I'm gonna do. If you guys are curious, that's one thing I would be wondering is, can I mount it two different directions? And on this one, you can. So, this one is the GS108 V4. And on the box, it is the GS108. So this is the version 4 is the one I got, and this is 2021. But I'm pretty stoked because I upgraded my internet. I'm getting way better internet than I was before through Starlink actually. So pretty sweet. I'm doing a beta test on it, and so far it's been way better than Spectrum.